Okay, Melissa. As explained, here's your home. Right, we had our meeting. You can click here to go to week 1, which will tell you where you can go. Here's your syllabus, which tells you all the classes, all the stuff that is due. All right, your announcements. Today it tells you I'm working on, so please be patient. Okay, your modules are right here. You need to make sure you read all of these. All right, and that you complete all the items for this week only. Okay, this is week 1. Okay, you do have, click the next button. Okay, this tells you the error markings that you will read in the GDP program, which I'll show you next. And then this tells you your assignments. Read the introduction and the reference manual. Do an introductory posting. It was supposed to have been done by yesterday. This isn't today, Saturday. Yeah, so kind of Friday is August 23rd. Okay. You need your textbook. All right, and you need the class access code. All right. Tells you a little more about it. Click next to continue. This tells you what we will be starting with next week, and you can elect whether to take the pass, no pass option for this class. Okay? Click on, you must go through Canvas. The McGraw-Hill tab. Mine's going to look different than yours. Okay. I'll go to Simulated Student. Sign out here so you can see. What you do is I have a code or need courtesy access code. So you will go here. Do you attend Antelope Valley College? Yes. Have a GDP username? No. Click next. This is, you can take the time if you like to read that. Click next. Enroll. You're going to find my class. Scroll all the way down to this one. Click on that one and click next. So, if you don't have a registration code, if you have all uppercase letters, okay? So, if you don't click the activate and click next, then put in your name here. All right? You will create a username. You will create a password and a password. I can't go any further than this, okay? And it will click and it will tell you you're finished. Okay. Right after that, yeah, it's not going to let me finish. Okay. So if I were to do this, it would, you know, tell me this. Give me a sample, first name, sample, you know, a student. But your email would be samplestudent@abc.edu, and then 901, and then username, sample, okay, password, okay, and then I would click next. Okay, then it's going to give me this. Right, courtesy access. Then I could click finish. Then I would log in here. with that username and that password I created. Make your username so I can recognize it. Alright? And the only lessons you have to do are the ones that are in here. So like in lesson 61, you have A through E, and you have this business document. Okay? Here's your word reference manual. Okay? It says 2016, that we're supposed to be in 19, but there's nothing we can do about it, so just use what you have. This is the language art. Time writings, your map. Okay, so it's going to tell me I need to complete my skill building. Alright, and my lessons, my GDP. Right here, any of the exercises I do will be here, or you will do, will be here. Right? If you can't see them in your GDP portfolio, I can't see them. So that means if these lessons over here do not have a green check mark, okay, we'll just do like lesson 61A is a warm-up. I don't have a book near me, so you would type what's in the textbook, 61A. Okay? You would type the warm-up, the text that's in the textbook. Then for like 62 or 61B, hit tab. Clyde expects to fix just 5 quaint puzzles to give to, I'm not going to complete, Mark and Webb for their quiz. Show the puzzles are moderately complex and you solve them. Will you try? Greg took just a minute. With the beach jack. He is current champion. Okay, score text. So pre-test, you will need to complete up to 3. So map and summary. So now I do first prescriptive drill. Next time, consider typing a bit faster, so it tells me to go okay. So now I'm going to go on. Number row tells me I don't have any, tells me I have one right here, so I'm going to go and just type this. Okay? So you get it. Then I'm going to go on to next. Alright? And I'm going to type this. Alright? So you can see in 61B it has that green check mark. That means that I completed that. These with the round circle with the yellow triangle means I went in it, but I have not completed it. So you need to complete those. Okay? If you have any other questions, let me know. And then you can see in my GDP, it's going to show me right here that I did this with one error. Okay? And I can click on details and see what I've done. And this is where I go to correct your work. And I go here, I leave all of this, like starting not this upcoming Tuesday, the 27th, but the following Tuesday on the 3rd. I will go here, put in the lesson ranges 61 to 65. I will put the beginning of the semester to the due date, which would be probably, I think, like September 1st. And it will show me what lessons you have completed. All right? Hope this helps. If not, email.